ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. This is the Black Manhattan. Let's get straight into this recipe. As always, grab your mixing glass and fill it with ice. Manhattans are one of my favourite cocktails, so I'm pretty excited to have a go at this one. So 2 ounces of rye whiskey, 1 ounce of Averna Amaro, one dash of Angostura bitters, 1 dash of orange bitters. Give this a stir for 15 to 30 seconds. We're going to strain into a chilled coupe. And the book calls for a maraschino cherry as the garnish, but I live in a small town called Wangaratta in Australia, and maraschino cherries are pretty hard to get. All we can get are those little red glacier cherries, which are, full of chemicals. Here we go, folks. This is the Black Manhattan. Wow, that's a really tasty version of a Manhattan. You get the spiciness from the rye, and you also get some herbal notes from the Amaro. This is really tasty, guys. Give this one a try. I'll see you on the next one.